Good morning all. I am Dr. Dhoni Vaishwanath, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Government First Grade College, KR from Bangalore. Today I am going to discuss about 38th session of Biochemistry, which is a paper 8 of belongs to Molecular Biology of 6th semester BSc. In this session, I am going to discuss about mechanism of DNA replications. Now here, the mechanism of DNA replication in this session, I have to discuss detailed. Now, mechanism of DNA replication here. The prokaryotic DNA replication involves many proteins. Here, during the replication process, the many that is a prokaryotic DNA replication involves many proteins. These are collectively referred to as a riplosome. Riplosome. Riplosome is nothing but the proteins, many prokaryotic DNA replications involves the many proteins. These are all called as the ribosome. The process has several steps. The first step goes to that is a DNA uncoiling. DNA uncoiling. The E. coli, that is it is nothing but bacteria. That is a bacterial chromosome is a large circular duplex double strand of 4.6 into 10 raised to 3 kilo base, that is a kb pairs. This is the 1 kb is equal to 1000 complementary base pairs. Replications always begins at the precise point of origin, the designated as a ori C, as shown in figure. This I will tell you later, show you later. This is recognized by the protein DNA. The two parental DNA stand separate, forming two where two versus where the active synthesis takes place. These are called as a replication forks. Replication fork, and progressively more away from the origin as a replication occurs. That is, replication is bidirectional. DNA synthesis occurs simultaneously at both replication forks. Now here, as shown in figure, just E. coli in the DNA replication will take place here. This is the here the origin of replication. Here this is the just grid-like structure will be there, and this is the replication bubbling. Replication bubbling will be there, and here two stands, that is the two that is edges or 2 points will be there, that is called as a replication force. Replication force, and this is further it is takes place undergo a replication, it forms that is a new strand like this. These are the two fork will be separated here takes place, and this is the one direction. These are the new strands will be formed, and this fork will be a shift at, that is a one is at that side and another will be this side, and this is the form like a parental strands. And this is further it make that is a again development in the replication process. The this is the undergo a circular here, and this is the make that is a here small that is a curve, this like, and this is the it is a replications that is process, and further it is completely replicated. One is became the two, that is a daughter molecules. This is the parent one, and it is a shift into a two different daughter, that is two daughter DNA molecules identical to the parent DNA, identical to the parent DNA. These are the similar to this. This will be a forms, and this process is called that is a replication occurred in, that is a E. coli. E. coli is nothing but that is a bacteria in which the DNA how it is a replication will be takes place by using a two fork. There is a one is that is a two forks will be there, and that will be a continuous, that is the lagging fork, and that is a front port will be there, and it forms that is the lastly that is a two daughter DNA will be produced with identical character of that is a parent DNA. Now the unwinding of the helix is done by enzymes called that is a helicases. Unwinding, it is winding, that is unwinding of the helix is done by that is enzymes called that is a helicases, which are assigned by various topoisomerases, specifically DNA gyrase, that is helicase, and DNA gyrase requires ATP. Once unwind takes place, the single DNA strands are kept separate by many molecules of the single stranded DNA binding proteins SSB. That is single stranded DNA binding protein is also abbreviated as that is a SSB. SSB probably also protects the single stranded DNA against attack by nucleases as shown in figure below. Now here this is the single stranded DNA binding proteins, that is this like, and here two poles are there. One is 3 prime to 5 prime here, and another one is 5 prime to, that is 3 primes, and here another one is 5 prime to 3 prime. Therefore these are the anti-parallel manner. These are the start, that is a 3 prime start, and there is a here 5 prime ends. There are 3 prime 5 prime, and here that is 5 prime 3 prime, and this is the 3 prime 5 prime. Therefore this will be a starts. This is the end. This is the 5 prime to 3 prime, and here the 3 prime to 5 prime end, and here 5 prime to, that is 3 prime end. Here this is the DNA helicase. This is the enzymes will be there here. This is the enzymes will be takes place for, that is a in the that is a transcription will be there. Now here DNA gyrase, a topoisomerism, that is the enzymes will be there. This is the circular form, and this is nothing but it is a parental duplex DNA. This is the parental duplex DNA, and this is the direction in which the movement of replication, that is here direction of movement of replication of the force will be takes place here. The protein which unwinded parental DNA in prokaryotics and advancing the replication of forks. This is the diagram details to process of, that is a DNA replication. Now second, that is process is nothing but that is a synthesis of DNA primers. Synthesis of DNA primer. That is a mechanism of DNA replication in which, that is second step is nothing but RNA primers. The enzymes that synthesize the DNA is the DNA polymerase 3, DNA polymerase 3. However, this cannot be initiated DNA synthesis on its own. The DNA, the enzyme that synthesizes DNA is, that is a DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase. Enzyme which is synthesize the DNA, that is called as a DNA polymerase 3. However, this cannot be initiate the DNA synthesis on its own. The DNA polymerase 3 requires a short RNA primer. Short RNA primer about, that is 5 to 10 nucleotides long, to which it can add on DNA complementary to the parental DNA strand. The RNA primers are synthesized by an RNA polymerase called, that is a primase. In a 5 prime to 3 prime direction, the DNA polymerase 3 primes then add on the DNA attached to the 3 prime end of RNA primers as shown in previous figure. Then third step is nothing but DNA synthesis at a replication fork. That is a DNA synthesis at a replication fork. What happened here? The DNA complementary to both parental strands are copied at the same time in the direction of the replication fork. All DNA polymerases synthesizes DNA only in the 5 prime to 3 prime direction. That is a new strand. It takes place. Therefore, you say that is a DNA synthesis at a replication fork only. That is from 5 prime to 3 prime end or 3 prime to 5 prime end. Okay. DNA complementary to both parental. That is exactly copy of, that is a DNA. That is parent. To be stands for daughter. Therefore, DNA complementary to both parental strands are copied at the same time in the direction of the replication fork. All DNA polymerases synthesize DNA only in the 5 prime to 3 prime direction. That is of a new strand. Thus, on the parent strand, with the 3 prime to 5 prime orientation. Therefore, we say there is a 5 prime to 3 prime is nothing but parent, then it should be a, that is 3 prime to 5 prime orientation will be new, that is a daughter. That is a new DNA is synthesized as a continuous of, there is a piece in the 5 prime to 3 prime direction, that is in the same direction as the fork movement. This DNA is called, that is a leading strand. Leading strand. Leading strand means there is a direction. The DNA synthesize a new daughter, that is a DNA which is in the piece of, that is in the direction of to 5 prime to 3 prime is called, that is a, or it is also called as a direction of as the same fork movement is called, that is a leading strand. On the other hand, template strand with, that is a 5 prime to 3 prime orientation. That is the other hand, that will be same takes place. Then the DNA polymerase 3 synthesizes a short piece of complementary DNA in the 5 prime to 3 prime direction as and when the parental DNA unwinds. When short fragment when these short fragments of few DNA about, that is a 100 to 2000 nucleotides long are synthesized in the direction of opposite that of the fork movement and are called, that is a Okazaki fragments. Okazaki fragments. Each Okazaki fragments contains new DNA attached to the short RNA primer at the 5 prime end. This new DNA strand made discontinuously. This new DNA strand made discontinuously is called, that is a lagging strand. Lagging strand means it make, that is a breaking, that is discontinuous, and that is called as a lagging strand, as it is synthesized slower than the leading strand, as shown in the next slide here. Therefore, we say that is this is the RNA primer. This will be there. Here 3 prime, 5 prime to, that is 3 prime. This is called as a leading strand synthesized continuously. And here this is called as a 3 prime to 5 prime. This is the lagging strand. This is the that is a lagging strand synthesized discontinuous. It is a discontinuous. Breaking will be takes place. Breaking down will be takes place. That is called as a lagging strand, and this is the continuous will be there, that is called as a continuously a strand. The RNA continuous strand, that is primer fork is called, that is a leading strand, and it is a discontinuous manner, that is called as a lagging strand. And the this is the previous Okazaki fragmentation will be takes place, that is a 1000 to, that is a 2000 nucleotides here, in which there is actually 100 to 2000 nucleotides, and here 3 primes and 5 primes will be takes place, and here same direction, the parental stance is nothing but same direction, 5 prime and 3 prime, the direction of the movement of replication fork. The growing new Okazaki fragments with RNA prime, and this is called as a RNA primer of previous Okazaki fragmentation. And this figure shows that the leading strand and lagging strand of, that is a showing, that is a RNA primer. That is simple. Here we say that is a continuous fork, continuous synthesize the RNA for continuous fork, that is called as a leading strand, and a strand which is discontinuous or broken down for the synthesis of, that is a RNA, that is called as a lagging strand. Now the fourth step is nothing but removal of RNA primers. Removal of RNA primers. The single RNA primers at 5 prime end of the leading strand and the numerous RNA primers at, that is a 5 prime end of each Okazaki fragment are removed by DNA polymerase 1. This simultaneously replaces the RNA primer with a DNA complementary to the parent strands, thereby the extending each Okazaki fragments on the lagging strand, as shown in the next figure. Here this will be takes place. This is the leading strand. This is the 5 prime, that is towards the end, and that is 3 prime. This will be takes place. Here there is a breakdown. There is a RNA primer of Okazaki fragmentation. The leading, it is breakdown. That is, we take the Okazaki fragmentation of lagging strands will be there. Here break-on, here break-on, here break-on will be takes this, and it forms that is a same, and this will be that is a DNA polymerase 1 as a enzymes. It participate and to form that is a same. It is a new DNA synthesized after removal of RNA primer. After removal of the RNA primer, this will be used that is a exactly that is same of that is a new DNA DNA that is a daughter DNA molecules. And this is nothing but the removal of RNA primers in this process. Now next fifth step is nothing but joining of DNA fragments. The DNA fragments proceed all combined action of DNA polymerase third and DNA polymerase 1. There are two types of the enzymes will be there for DNA polymerase 3 and DNA polymerase 1. These can be make the DNA fragments produced to combine. These DNA fragments produce in this can be combined by using a action of that is a DNA polymerase 3 and DNA polymerase 1 are then joined together by a DNA ligase. Replication ends when the two replication fork meets on the opposite side of the circular chromosomes. Opposite side of the circular chromosomes. Therefore, here this will be a it is obtained here. There no. These can be obtained. This can be combined. This is the nix will be there here. These the broken down. There is a broken fragments. These can be joined together by using a DNA ligases, and this will be a close. That is broken is converted into close, and this is called as action of ligase, and this will be a DNA forms. Therefore, the whole process of the DNA replication is shown below here. The whole process of DNA replication is shown in single diagram that can be explained here. In first step, this is the 3' into 5' end. This will be there. That is called as a parental DNA template. This will be underway primase by using a RNA. This will be a breaks. This is used that is a one fragmentation will be takes place 5' to 3' end. The synthesis of new DNA by DNA polymerase 3 by using this DNA polymerase enzyme. This make that is a new DNA molecule that is exactly copying of that is a DNA template. That is a this is the in the B reaction that is 5' to 3'. That is exactly reverse. Then this further it is a join. It is elongated. It make that is elongated in third steps. That is 5'. That is a here. This is the making. That is a leading continuous. This will be 5' to 3', and this further it is a form that is a fragmentation. This is same here. Then it is followed by that is a RNA primer removed and gap filled with the DNA by RNA polymerase. Here this gap will be filled by this, and then this will be completely that is a fragmentation joined. This fragmentation joined here, the fragmentation will be takes place, and that will be joined by a DNA ligase, and to form that is complete, that is same the copy of that is a parental DNA template. This is the parental DNA, and this is the daughter that is a DNA will be produces, and this is the called as a replication of that is a mechanism of replication of DNA. So now coming to that is the differences between that is the functions of bacterial prokaryotic DNA polymerase. The polymerase and functions. DNA polymerase 1, that is it is also called as a POL1. It is it function is nothing but remove of RNA primer, replacement by RNA primer with DNA, and it make the DNA repair. It remove the RNA primer by replacement of RNA primer with DNA, and DNA will be a repair. The second one is the DNA polymerase 2, that is a POL2. Therefore, it will be a make there is a DNA repair again. And third one is DNA polymerase 3, that is Pol 3. It synthesize the DNA synthesis. That is a DNA synthesis. Make it is copying. That is a replication will be takes place. Then coming to that is the action of DNA polymerase. Action of a DNA polymerase. All three DNA polymerases from E. coli synthesize the DNA in the 5' to 3' direction. This DNA synthesis is template directed with the new DNA being complementary to the parent strand. The adenine opposite thymine and vice versa. Guanine the opposite, that is a cytosine, and vice versa. Means that is the adenine opposite thymine, or thymine to guanine, thymine to adenine, and here guanine to cytosine, or cytosine to guanine. This can be oppositely, they can be there, and they need to a primer or with a 3' OH group, 3' OH group, and also require all 4-deoxyribonucleotide triphosphate, that is a D-adenosine diphosphate, that is a D-adenosine diphosphate, and there is a deoxy, that is a D means deoxy adenosine diphosphate, deoxy gyanosine triphosphate, deoxy cytosine triphosphate, and last one, that is a thymidine triphosphate. In addition of that is a magnesium ion as a cofactor. All contain Z plus 2 ion as a cofactor, and release pyrophosphate. Pyrophosphate means PI, that is PPI, that is pyrophosphate. On addition each nucleotide to the DNA chain. The stepwise reaction is the stepwise reaction is shown here. The DNA, that is polymerases residues, plus adding that is a nicotinamide triphosphate, nucleotide triphosphate, that is underway a RNA polymerase. In presence of that is a magnesium plus 2 ion. This will be formed, that is a DNA N plus 1 plus pyrophosphate, and overall reaction is nothing but it is a polymerization NDNTP. It is a polymerization. It produces that is a DNA with the liberation of polypyrophosphate. This is the about that is a mechanism of that is a DNA. So far I have discussed about there is a mechanism of DNA replication in detailed manner. Thank you.